Hi, I would like to talk to you about something that's on my mind. Just thinking about yesterday, the Supreme Court of the United States basically ended up ruling in favor of Donald Trump, saying that presidents have some level of immunity when they're in office, and just that they can't be prosecuted that for certain crimes, and just like they I mean that that they're somehow above the law. I mean, I get the feeling that 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 justice in America is is perverted, favoring those who are wealthy, and just and and these are people who claim to be following the laws of the land. It's just laws of, also the laws of God. I mean, I mean, this is a stark contrast in how God wants judges to act, and I'm going to share with you some points from Scripture about how judges are supposed to act. I'm going to go through some. Is that from Microsoft Bing, according to Scripture, judges are expected to act with fairness, righteousness, and impartiality. Here are some key principles. One, fairness and impartiality. Judges should not show favoritism or partiality. Leviticus 19:15 states, "You shall do no injustice in judgment. You shall not be partial to the poor, nor defer to the great, but you are to judge your neighbor fairly." I mean, we have a few Supreme Court judges that b- basically favor Donald Trump and the GOP party, and I mean, and they and that's not how justices are supposed to act. There's According to Scripture. I mean, and two, righteous judgment. Judges are called to judge righteously, not based on appearances. John 7:24 says, "Do not judge according to appearance, but judge with righteous judgment." I mean, number three, listening and understanding. Judges should hear cases thoroughly and understand the context before making a decision. Deuteronomy 1:16 advises, "Hear the cases between your fellow countrymen and judge righteously between a man and his fellow countryman, or the alien who is with him." I mean, we're I mean we're basically to be fair to not only those who live in the country, but also for those who are like strangers, and foreigners, and I mean it, that live among us. Or it's just because if I mean, if we're supposed to base our country's laws on the laws of God, we should do it pretty much across the board, and listen, and not not make not make exceptions here and there, when it comes to law of God. And of course, four, truthfulness. Judges should speak the truth and ensure their judgments promote peace and justice. Zechariah 8:16 emphasizes, "These are the things which you should do: speak the truth to one another, judge with truth and judgment for peace in your gates." These principles highlight the importance of integrity, fairness, and righteousness in judgment according to biblical teachings. I mean, and this is very important because if we don't have judges that are impartial, that will they'll hear the cases on both sides, then we're gonna have unfair. We're gonna have injustice reigning in the land, and that's one of the things that end up dooming the kingdom of Judah, according to what it says in Habakkuk. Habakkuk 1:4. It's like it says, "Therefore the law is slacked and judgment never goes forth. For the wicked does compass about the righteous. Therefore wrong judgment proceeds." I mean, there were corrupt judges that were in the land of Israel, in the kingdom of Judah. I mean, during the final days of the kingdom of Judah, before Babylon would invade Jerusalem and come destroy it and take his people captive, and the Israelites would be in exile for 70 years in Babylon. I mean, it's really sad state of affairs in America when justices fail to be impartial, and it's like they have an agenda on their minds, and their agenda is not true justice, but rather favoring those who are rich and powerful, favoring their particular political party. It's like, I mean, Joe Biden did not prevent his son, Hunter Biden, from going to jail when the verdict was cast against him. I mean, he did have the power to rule in his son's favor, but he didn't. I mean, which basically shows a bit of Joe Biden's character in that situation. But apparently there no similar no similar thing exists among GOP. They just like to lie and cheat their way through everything, and yet claim to be godly people, and just I mean, GOP really needs prayer. In fact, I think both political parties need prayer. It's like, you need to get America back to where both sides are willing to work with each other, and not not no I mean not turn political arena into a battlefield. I mean, I mean, having one camp being conservatives and the other camp being liberals, and just I mean, basically you need like a third party though that's willing to cut through the crap of both parties and just because we're living in a time of a false dichotomy of believing one political party's right and the other is wrong, and just anyway, that's pretty much all I have to share with you in this video. So have a good day, and may God bless you.